Welcome to Autos Insight, your trusted source for car care knowledge and automotive insights. Today, we're focusing on a critical yet often overlooked component of your vehicle's automatic transmission system, the Transmission Control Module, or TCM. The TCM acts as a brain behind your car's transmission, sending signals to ensure smooth gear changes based on your driving behavior, speed, throttle input, and other factors. When the TCM begins to fail, it can lead to serious drivability issues that not only affect your comfort, but also risk damaging your transmission over time. In this video, we'll walk you through what a TCM does, how it works, and the most common symptoms that indicate it may be going bad. The TCM communicates with your vehicle's engine control module, ECM, and other systems to determine the optimal timing for gear shifts. It controls everything from when your car shifts gears to how hard or soft it is. If the TCM fails, it can send incorrect signals or none at all, causing your vehicle to shift erratically, stay stuck in one gear, or not shift at all. One of the earliest symptoms of a bad TCM is delayed or harsh shifting. You may feel the vehicle jerking or lurching when it changes gears, especially when accelerating or decelerating. In some cases, the car might skip gears altogether or hesitate when shifting, creating a noticeable disruption in the driving experience. Another telltale sign is if your vehicle gets stuck in a single gear, often called limp mode. This is a safety feature designed to protect your transmission from further damage when the TCM detects a fault. If you find your car only operating in second or third gear regardless of speed or throttle input, the TCM is likely to blame. Poor fuel economy is another consequence of a malfunctioning TCM. When gears aren't shifting properly, the engine may rev higher than necessary or lug at low RPMs, consuming more fuel and putting extra stress on the drivetrain. If you notice a sudden drop in miles per gallon, especially alongside shifting issues, it's time to consider the TCM. The check engine light or transmission warning light is another red flag. While these lights don't always point directly to the TCM, they often illuminate when there's a communication failure or shift error. Scanning the car's computer with an OBD2 tool can reveal error codes like P0700, which indicates a general transmission control issue and usually requires further diagnosis. In more advanced cases, your vehicle may fail to go into gear at all. You might shift the gear lever, but nothing happens. The car remains in neutral or park. This can be both inconvenient and dangerous, especially if it happens on the road. If you suspect a bad TCM, it's essential to get your car inspected by a professional mechanic or transmission specialist. The TCM can often be repaired or reprogrammed, but in some cases, a full replacement may be necessary. Catching the issue early can save you from more severe and expensive transmission repairs down the line. Thanks for watching Autos Insight. If this helped you understand the signs of a failing TCM, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more automotive troubleshooting tips, and leave a comment below if you had experience with transmission issues. Stay tuned for more.